Hey everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into some amazing wooden ideas that not only allow you to unleash your creativity but can also help you make money. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these projects are perfect for turning your skills into profit. Woodworking is not just a hobby, it's a fantastic way to earn extra income. From custom furniture to unique home decor, there's a huge market for handcrafted wooden items. So, let's explore some exciting projects you can start today. First up, we have personalized wooden signs. Custom signs for homes or businesses are always in demand. You can easily create these using reclaimed wood and some basic painting techniques. People love unique, personalized decor. Cutting boards. Next, let's talk about cutting boards. A beautifully crafted wooden cutting board can sell for a good price, especially if you use high-quality hardwoods. Plus, they make great gifts. Birdhouses. Birdhouses are another great option. They can be simple or elaborate, and gardening enthusiasts are always looking for charming additions to their outdoor spaces. Wooden toys. Handmade wooden toys are timeless. Simple designs like cars or puzzles can be fun to make and sell, especially at craft fairs or online. Planters. Don't forget about wooden planters. With the rise of gardening, decorative planters are in high demand. You can create a variety of sizes and styles to appeal to different customers. Online marketplaces, consider selling on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own e-store. These platforms have a built-in audience looking for unique, handcrafted items. Social media, showcase your projects on social media. Instagram and Pinterest are great for visual content, and you can attract potential customers with beautiful photos. Craft fairs and local markets, don't underestimate the power of local craft fairs. They're a fantastic way to connect with your community and sell your products face to face. How to use wooden items, decorative wooden items, display, place wooden decorative items like signs, sculptures, or wall art in prominent areas of your home or workspace to enhance aesthetics. Theming, use wooden decor to complement your existing theme, rustic, modern, or minimalist. Wooden furniture, arrangement, strategically arrange wooden furniture pieces to create functional spaces. Consider flow and accessibility in living areas. Care, use coasters on wooden tables to prevent water rings and avoid placing hot items directly on the surface. Wooden kitchen items, cutting boards, use wooden cutting boards for food preparation. Regularly oil them with food-safe mineral oil to maintain the wood. Utensils, wooden spoons and spatulas should be used for cooking, avoiding metal utensils that can scratch the surface. Wooden toys, playtime, encourage children to use wooden toys for imaginative play. Ensure toys are free from sharp edges and safe for their age group. Storage, create designated spaces for wooden toys to keep play areas organized. Wooden planters, placement, use wooden planters for indoor or outdoor plants. Ensure they have drainage holes to prevent water buildup. Care, regularly check the moisture level in the soil and keep the planters clean to maintain their appearance.